This is Scott again with JSA Foundation Repair, and it is actually December 28, 2017, part 2 of a long video of us jacking up this brick veneer wall. And we want to get this window ledge back up to the bottom there, and this brick as well. All of this brick veneer has settled down, and we put 3 piers in. So we want to try to show this lift and see if we can get this to get close back to the window ledge and save the brick wall. Patrick, if you'll fire it up. Okay, here we go. Coming up pretty good?
Yes, sir.
That's going real good. All right, cut this jack. 1. Here. Hold your brick in place up there. Lean against the wall. Right there. Okay. Cut 1 back on. Okay, cut 1 and 2 off. Run 3 now. Okay. There's something in that wood up there. Put your hand underneath there. Okay. Here we go. Okay, cut that one off, number 3. Right. 1 and 2 are still on. Cut 1 and 2 on. There you go. Long process of moving this wall in place, but that's how you have to do it. Right there it is. Cut 1 off. Perfect. Got 2 in place here. Okay, cut 3 on. Alright. Hold it in place. That's it. Let's see if I can reach 1 right here. There we go. And that's how you move a wall. It's not easy, but everything's staying together. It's a long video. One of my longest. And that wall is down back in the window. Perfect right there. Okay, let me cut these off. Cut that one off. It's a little late. We finished it up. As you can see, all that brickwork is back to the normal position. I'm going to show a couple pictures in here. I may come by the next day and do some pictures here. But all that trim work is back up. Brickwork's back. Now that was very wet right now, that mortar. It will eventually dry and lighten, but now all that's saved. So I want to do a little final film of the holes covered up and everything back to normal again. And like I said, I'll see if I can get out here in the daylight and do another one. Another quality job done by JSA.